So today we are going to check our internet speed using Python program. So for that, first of all we have to install pip3 install speed test CLI. Okay, I have already installed it. आप भी install करके लो. So we will import that speed test here. So अभी हम डाउनलोडिंग और अपलोडिंग की स्पीड चेक करेंगे. Speed test. Okay, so now I will create an object of test speed test dot speed test. Okay, तो हमने ऑब्जेक्ट बना लिया है स्पीड टेस्ट का. So now we will check for the downloading path. Download is equal to test dot download. Okay, and we have to find upload speed, so we will write test dot upload. Okay, so अभी हम दोनों प्रिंट करके देखेंगे. प्रिंट okay downloading speed. So here we will write download and control C control V. We will see uploading speed. Upload. Okay, so now I will run this code python 3. Okay, so I think it will take some time check करने के लिए. So here is the thing of that speed test. Okay, so here we can check for a particular IP address. So this is our source for if we can check for a particular address also. Means particular address के लिए भी हम downloading speed और uploading speed check कर सकते हैं. Like that you can refer this. So it will give us in this bits per second and upload also in bits per second. जो भी अभी हमें आउटपुट आएगा वो बिट्स पर सेकेंड में होगा. So it is taking time. So here it is, we get the downloading speed and uploading speed bits per second. So ये कौन सा भी जो काउंट है ये bits per second होगा. So this is the speed of my internet that I am using. Okay, so that's it to check this internet speed. So if you like this, hit the like button भाई, share subscribe करो भाई, कुछ तो करो. Thank you.